Why swap dessert ingredients on keto?
Traditional desserts are packed with sugar and carbs, which can prevent your body from staying in ketosis. By choosing smarter ingredient swaps, you can still enjoy sweet treats without all the sugar. Learning these keto-friendly substitutions means you don't have to give up dessert. Just rethink how you make it.
Sugar substitutes for keto baking.
Replace regular sugar with natural low-carb sweeteners like stevia and erythritol or monk fruit. These options offer sweetness without spiking blood sugar or adding extra carbs. They're easy to use and blend well into most baking recipes, making them popular choices for anyone craving something sweet on a keto diet.
Flour alternatives for lower carbs.
Almond flour and coconut flour are two of the most popular swaps for wheat flour in keto desserts. They're much lower in carbs, gluten-free, and add healthy fats and fiber. Almond flour delivers a rich, nutty flavor, while coconut flour is slightly sweet and very absorbent, perfect for cookies, brownies, and cakes.
Milk and chocolate choices.
Regular milk for unsweetened almond, coconut, or macadamia milk to reduce carbs. For chocolate, choose varieties labeled sugar-free, 85% dark, or made with keto-approved sweeteners. These small but effective changes let you enjoy creamy puddings, hot chocolate, and chocolate chips without breaking your carb goals.
Smart fruit and topping swaps.
Berries like strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries contain fewer carbs than most fruits and fit well into keto desserts when enjoyed in moderation. For whipped cream or icing, use heavy cream mixed with a keto sweetener, or try unsweetened Greek yogurt for a tangy finish. These swaps make toppings flavorful and keto-friendly,